So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a horn on a Volvo V40. This is a replacement one. You have two horns located on each side. This should be, passenger side should be the high tone, this should be the low tone horn. And you can see one of them is broken, or you can hear at least. It makes this weird high-pitched sound. So one of them has failed, and it's this one. So gaining access to the horn is actually quite easy. You just have to remove this headlight, and that's all the same steps you would do if you try to change your headlight bulbs. So you remove this part to push it, so you can pick it up. This will give you more wiggle room. After that, you have to remove this part, which holds the headlight in place. You can see the arrow. Turn it in the right way. Then you need to take your Torx 30 and just undo this one screw. There you go. Just put this one apart to the side. Now, to remove the headlight, just very easy. Just take it out and twist it. First time it's quite difficult, but the trick is you have to twist it just in a way you can get it free. Now, there you go. Now you can put your headlight to the side. So once you're taking your headlight out, this is the location your horn is located. I already took mine out last time, so I could order the new one, but it's this is a replacement horn. It came out of a Volvo V60 around 2015. This is a Volvo V40 from the year 18, I believe. All the same, just compare the connectors and you're good to go. The one thing that's different is this bracket, but you can swap these from side to side. So once you swap the brackets, it's all straightforward. Just a small amount of wiggle room, and you have to insert it, the connector, like this, and then just mount the bracket with the original screw up here. Okay, now I just connected it. Didn't install it yet, but try to do a sound test first to see the new replacement horn still works. And that's just like new. Okay, so now we're gonna wiggle this piece back where it belongs. Ah, that's quite a tight fit. So let's figure this out. How should I? Ah, there you go. Just have to wiggle it around a little bit and install the new or the old 8mm. Final part, reinstalling the headlight. First of all, connect the connector until it clicks, or it's tight enough. I think it's good enough. Then you have to, that's why you need to remove this part, so you can put this one at this angle, and now you can just slide it in. Otherwise you will be struggling for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes trying to fight with this headlight. That's not necessary. The first thing I do is put this one back in the right orientation and just tighten it. Then take the Torx 30 and tighten that as well. And lastly, install this piece. I think it's to keep the hood in the right place, I don't know. And there you go, just like that. You just twist it, Torx, and this one, and then this is the part you have to remove to tilt the headlight in this direction, and then it slides freely in. It's that easy. Oh, lastly, testing the headlight. And it's good to go.